Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be going over how to do single crochet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to go over how to do single crochet. You'll need yarn, crochet hook, and I've already started this project, so I'll show you exactly how to do a single crochet with this project. So for single crochet, we're going to go through the first stitch and we're going to grab our yarn, and now we have 2 loops on the hook. Then we're going to go back and grab some more yarn and then pull the yarn through both loops. For this tutorial, I slowed down the video so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. And here we are at normal speed. And that's how you do single crochet. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. Thank you.